Hello and welcome to this video on using the Bibliothèque Numérique French language digital book collection from the Port Moody Public Library. In this video we will go over using the top search bar here, as well as some of the advanced search options and filters that you can use to find books in this collection. To start, I'm just going to leave our search bar empty and hit the search option to bring up everything that is in the collection to give you a bit of an idea of what is in this collection. And you'll see here that is primarily ebooks, though there's also a few audiobooks, but the focus is definitely on the ebooks. There are books for all ages, both adults and children and young adult. This includes fiction, and you can filter your results based on a particular category or genre within fiction, as well as in non-fiction. There are some general categories that each book is assigned as well to help you find what you are looking for. When we use the top search bar option, we can type in any particular piece of information, such as the title, the author's name, the publisher, and things like that. But if we're looking for something very specific, we can also use the advanced search. So, for example, if I'm looking for a particular author, then I can type in that author's name and then do the search based on that. So here I've done a search for the author Kate Quinn, and it's brought back this particular title that is available through this collection.